Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that when these words was revealed, translation, O believers, raise not your voices above the voice of the Prophet, and speak not aloud in presence of him as you shout to one another, lest your works become vain while you are unaware. Surah Al-Hujarat, verse 22. Hazrat Sabit bin Qais radiyallahu anhu, after hearing it, sat in his house and started saying, I am a hell-bound. When he did not enter the presence of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for a few days, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked Hazrat Sa'ad bin Mu'az radiyallahu anhu, O Abu Amr, how is Sabit? Has he fallen ill? Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu submitted, he is my neighbor. If he had been ill, I would have been aware of it. Later, Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu visited Hazrat Thabit radiyallahu anhu and told him that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asking after you. Hazrat Thabit radiyallahu anhu replied, this verse has been revealed and you know well that I am the loudest of you, so I am a hell-bound. Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu mentioned it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who said, no, he is one of the residents of paradise. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 310.